With plenty of use over the years, your console top plate can begin to fade, crack, and even show damage to the chrome such as peeling or pitting. A fresh replacement of that can make a world of difference inside the cabin when restoring your classic. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 and 67 Chevelle and El Camino center console top plates. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. The console top plates screw to the top of your console base where your shifter extrudes out of. These are available for automatic and 4-speed manual transmissions and also feature the correct mounting hole for the clock. The top plates are manufactured from injection molded plastic and case hardened steel tooling. This ensures the accuracy and authenticity of the reproduction of the factory originals. They feature the correct Madrid grain texture in black. Once inspected, we finish every top plate with black paint and carefully chrome plated trim to perfection. Finally, our top plates include the proper mounting studs and pre-drilled holes where applicable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.